No more Windows laptops. Woohoo! Ugh. No matter what your reaction is, we've got Chromebooks. Hi, this is Eric. I was a student just like you last year, or at least at the time of this recording, and I'm here to teach you how to use your school-issued Chromebook. What's the difference between these and the Windows laptops we used to use? Well, actually there's quite a bit. Using a Chromebook can be a lot different from using a Windows or Mac. But don't freak out, I found them really easy to get used to. So without further ado, let's get started. When you get your shiny new Chromebook, you should get three things: the Chromebook itself, a case which should stay permanently attached, and the power adapter. The first thing you need to do when you get your Chromebook is turn it on. To do that, open the lid and press the power button located at the top right of your keyboard. Within seconds, you should see the screen light up, display the Chrome OS logo, and bring up the sign-in page. There was an issue, or a feature that I discovered while setting up these Chromebooks, where after a certain amount of time without being powered on, the power button no longer works. You may run into this at the beginning of the year, or if you haven't used it in a few months. This is actually a battery-saving feature, and all you need to do is plug it in, and your Chromebook will turn on in a couple of seconds. After turning on the Chromebook, you will be presented with a login screen. Every student and teacher has a Google account attached to an @crsd.us email address. This is the account you will use to log into your Chromebook. These are generally your first initial and then your last name, followed by @crsd.us. However, if you have a sibling whose name begins with the same letter as yours, you may have some variation of that. If you are a returning student, your password will be the one that you set on your Google account last year. If you are a new student, you will be provided with a generic password which you should change when you log in for the first time. If you are unsure of your login information, please ask your teacher to obtain that information from the IT department. And that's all you need to know to get up and running. To turn off your Chromebook, click on your profile picture and then click the power button. Or just simply close the lid to suspend your current session. But that's not all. Follow me through the next few training videos to dive into the features your Chromebook has to offer, some troubleshooting know-how, and how to correctly handle your device.